Understanding Dilations, Worksheet 20, question number 2. Suppose you dilate a figure by the given scale factor. Will the image be a reduction? Select yes or no. Okay, so remember, in order for it to be a reduction, the scale factor has to be less than 1. Remember, it's always greater than 0, but the scale factor must be less than 1. If it's equal to 1 or greater than 1, then your answer will be no. If the scale factor is equal to 1 or greater than 1, your answer will be no. If your scale factor is less than 1, your answer will be yes. So in other words, if your scale factor is less than 1, your answer will be yes. If your scale factor is equal to 1, your answer will be no. If your scale factor is greater than 1, your answer will be no. Now, you must show your work. In other words, right now, pause your video and write down everything I wrote down. All I did was I took these numbers that are over here and I rewrote them over there. So go ahead and do that now. Pause your video and do that. Okay. So now in between the 2 and the 1, the 5/4 and the 1, the 2/3 and the 1, and so forth, you're either going to put the greater than, less than, or equal sign. So for A, if 2 is greater than 1, put the greater than sign. If 2 is less than 1, put the less than sign. If it's equal to 1, put the equal to sign. So go ahead, decide what you think that comparing 2 to 1 is 2 greater than 1, less than 1, or equal to 1. So put one of those 3 signs between the 2, and then if it is less than 1, put yes. If it's equal to 1 or greater than 1, mark no. For B, 5/4. Now, I understand that this could be a little confusing. There's 2 ways you could have answered this. First of all, for 5/4, you could put in your calculator and turn it into decimal. But also, you should remember, because I've told you this multiple times, if the number in the numerator is larger, it's going to be greater than 1. If the number in the numerator is larger, it's going to be greater than 1. So for B, 5/4 is greater than 1. And because it's greater than 1, our answer is no. So now what you need to do is you need to go through the rest of these, compare them to 1. If it's greater than 1, your answer will be no. If it's equal to 1, your answer will be no. But if it's less than 1, your answer will be yes. So right now, pause your video and go through the rest of these and answer yes or no. And don't forget to put your signs in between here. If you have any questions, let me know.